Hey everybody, I'm Sean. Welcome to another episode of Adventuring Spiders. Welcome back everybody. On today's episode, it is our last day in Cambodia and we are starting out with a traditional water blessing from the monk. So that's pretty interesting. We're visiting a monastery and we're going to go through a traditional ceremony. And then we're going to go head out to a lake. So should be an interesting day. And then we get on a plane and we are off to Laos. This is a relatively big monastery. Lots of buildings. And I'm told that typically in these monasteries there's always a pond because Buddha would meditate in front of a pond.
Cambodian perspective is because why we try the improvement for the life, especially for the couple life. The real meaning is to remember it.
Alright everybody, here we are on our last adventure in Cambodia. We're going to go out on a boat on Tonle Lake. Tonle Lake is the biggest lake in Cambodia and the most important lake for fishing. And it also includes a floating village where about 2,000 people live on the lake full time, primarily all fishermen. So we're gonna get on a boat. Looks like one of these. Alright, so that's going to do it for our tour of the lake. Absolutely fantastic. Really, really impressive. And now we're going to get back on the bus. We're going to go to the airport. It's time to head to Laos. And hey guys, if you liked the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and until next time, good adventuring.